Hi YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. So this is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to her channel in my video description box, and I'll be making a creation every day in my little journal here from the prompts that Meg has provided. Hello and welcome to day 21. So we're doing map today. So I think I'm going to try and get this off, and then I'll use this if I can't. And what I'm going to make today is, I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to call it an up and down pocket. So it's going to be a pocket here, and it's going to be a pocket here on the page. So let me see if I can get this off. So thanks everyone for all the lovely comments and the thumbs up, all the hearts, really appreciate it. Okay, so that will work really well. That's going to be my map in the background. Just going to trim this paper down so it'll fit on the page. I'll glue it, and then I'll use some book page to make my up and down pocket. So I'm going to just ink the edge of this with ganache because it's nice and dark brown, and it has a really old, I think it's going to give this like a very old look to it. I'm going to glue that down. Right, I'm going to put a weight on that and put it aside to dry while I do the pockets. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to see more of what I do, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. You don't need to leave a long comment, just a heart or a smiley face is going to be really nice to receive. And it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that something good's going on at this channel, and it will suggest this video and others of mine to other people. So with just that little keystroke, you're helping my channel immensely. So that's going to be my pocket. One up, one down on the page. Now I'd like to do something on that. Bit of white gesso, I think would look good. Going to use the ganache to ink the edge. I've got these bits that I cut off from around the edge of the map. I'm going to glue some of that on. Probably could have gone bigger with the pockets. So I think that one can go there. And this one, I'm going to actually enlarge it. Okay, so how am I going to do that? I'm going to glue it onto another piece of paper. So that actually adds on quite a bit to the pocket. So I'm just going to fold that up and turn turn it back the other way. So I could have not glued that all the way down and made it into a double pocket. That's another variation that you could do. What's that? I think that sits much better on the page. I'm just going to glue that down. I just think with it being a pocket on the bottom, it's more likely to have more things put into it, so it may need that extra stability. And it's nice to me now with that extra bit on there. But I'm not going to do it to the other one. I'll leave that as is. And just going to ink again. I'm not going to attempt to punch that. I'll leave it. Okay, so I'm going to glue down my pockets. So art glitter glue. And I did want to put this on here somewhere, but I think it's just going to get in the way. So maybe I can use it in whatever comes up next. So the two pages are sort of connected to each other in a way. Where's the next prompt is repeat, so that'll be in here. Okay, so that's that. Now, do I want to do anything else? Maybe because it's ocean related, I might use this leftover watercolour from a couple of projects ago and just outline the page in the watercolour. There's the bottom. Okay, we'll just let that soak in where it wants to go. And I think maybe a couple of spatters. This is acrylic paint. Just water it down a little bit. That'll do. I'll let that dry off. So one pocket here. Obviously this is too big to go in, but that's the gist. One pocket up there. Okay, so that's done. Everything's dry, and I have just used a fine liner to go around some of those bits that I stuck on there. Okay, so that is Maps D21. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, even if it's just a heart or a smiley face. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you again for 22, which is repeat, for 22, which is repeat, for 22, which is repeat. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Happy crafting, happy creating. Hooroo.